Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. Hello World is a small piece of code in most general-purpose programming languages. This program is used to illustrate a language's basic syntax. It simply displays a message similar to Hello World. Getting ready. I assume that you already have a local development environment like XAMPP or MOMP etc. on your computer. Just do two things. Create a folder. Create a folder named PHP by CodeFork or with any name of your choice under the folder htdocs. Folder htdocs is under your local development environment. Create a file. Open the above newly created folder in the code editor of your choice and create a file Hello World. PHP under the above folder. Ready to code. Now you are ready to code your first PHP script. Let's write our first PHP script Hello World. Before starting, just ensure the following first. You have created a folder under each htdocs folder to hold the practice files. You have created a file to practice our first PHP script. And most important is, you have started the local development environment XAMPP or MOMP to run the PHP files. Add the following code to your Hello World PHP file and save the file. Here is the explanation for the code above. Here is the explanation for our first PHP code. Our code will output the text Hello World on the screen. PHP codes are written under the PHP opening and closing tags. We use the PHP's function echo to output or display data next to it on the screen. In our first code, Hello World is a string, and strings are kept under single or double quotes. We use a semicolon at the end of each statement to separate each statement. What you have learned now. PHP opening and closing tags. Echo function. Example of a string. Terminator. Now, it is the time to see the output on the screen. So, we are ready to see the result of our first PHP code. In my browser, I have opened the URL shown to view the output on the screen. The above address may be the same, or different for you based on the following. Your local development environment's port number. In my case, it is 8888. Your folder name. In my case, it is PHP by CodeFork. Your file name. In my case, it is Hello World. PHP. If required, tweak your URL. If everything is perfect, you will see the text Hello World in your browser window. It's awesome if you see Hello World in your web browser. If not, write in the comments. Try the Hello World code with the print keyword instead of the echo keyword, and write the result you get in the comments. So, you wrote your first PHP code today. If you have not yet subscribed to the CodeFork channel, please subscribe now, and also click the bell icon to get notifications on forthcoming videos. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Stay tuned to become a PHP professional. Thank you.